Good late evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 11:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. Special shout out to CryptoFX for helping me in my partner page and helping go through the spam and whatnot, and just all the stuff. I really do appreciate it. So if you're listening right now on this page, special shout out to you, my brother. I've noticed you in the comments, and I've noticed your commitment, so I do appreciate it. So basically, just what I wanted to talk about real quick is the state of crypto. We have to talk the state of crypto every day, and I will do one update to the state of crypto. Usually one state of the crypto, one non-state of crypto, and then if I want to do a technical analysis again, I'll do a second or a third update of the day. Today's Sunday, family day, so you know, it is what it is. So make sure to hit that like button, turn that bell notification on, and subscribe to the channel if you're new or returning. I would appreciate it. We're getting close to 720 subscribers, so we're trying to make that push to 1,000 subscribers, so I do appreciate each and every one of you. So the total crypto market cap, very strong day. It had some pullbacks, unfortunately. Well, I mean, fortunately, unfortunately, depending on which way you want to go. But on the total crypto market cap, I want to draw this out like I have on some of my other charts. And I want to show you guys exactly what we're looking at with the trends. Because the crypto market cap, if we break out of this, so real quick, we'll do this in the 4-hour just so we can get more points that we can, actually, you know what? We have closed on dailies, so let's do the daily. If the daily wouldn't have closed, maybe I would have went to the 4-hour, but so we're trying to get past here, guys. So we had these up, so these are the high points. So for the crypto market cap, we're just trying to break the high point. Nothing more, nothing less. This is basically irrelevant right now, actually. I mean, it's not, but it is. So then you come up here on our top trend. And we just had another daily close. So we can go by the daily close. But I'm going by the top point we hit before today because I'm trying to build a trend before today. So I want to see if it can build, you know, a point to where it's going to close over. So I'm not just going to keep going to the next trend line. That's not fair. I'm not going to keep doing it every daily. I want to see what it's doing. So I went to yesterday's top point, not to where it closed, but yesterday's top point. And then I let it do what it was going to do, you know, and that's what we're coming up with right now. And then if we're trying to grow, you know, hey, the crypto total market cap is starting an uptrend. Sorry, guys, it's raining here real loud in the background, and I hope it's not affecting. Actually, I don't care, but I think you guys might appreciate the rain, and I don't edit. I just do my stuff raw and unedited. Okay, so we'll pull the uptrend, and that's all. This is what we're looking at, guys. Can we start an uptrend like this? So we've got some room. Even though we're pulling down, this could be a fake back down. We don't know. It could be a fake down back within the downward trend line. It really could. We don't know. The only thing that gets scary here is that when you start to see confluency, and it's like, you know what? This downward trend is no joke. We got to break out of it quick. Otherwise, we're going to, you know, run out of space here, and we're just going to drop off the map, because at certain points you just start liquidating. So call this a last call, whatever you want to call it, but it's trying to make a move up to break this downtrend. That looks pretty good, because you see it came up above it. It did a good job today. Came up above it. Had a pretty decent amount of room, but then it came down before the daily close, which is often a sign that we're starting to reverse. So that's what we have to do to break it. So, I mean, that's what we're looking for. We're looking to get over that and make a decisive break out of here, because when you get into that this little spot right here, that just becomes a little trading range where you kind of dump off into, and then you can just fall right back down. We're trying to make a decisive move with the crypto market cap. This is the overall feel of the crypto market. This is the emotions right here. This is the people speaking on the crypto market. So this is what the people as a whole are thinking. And right now, they spoke very strongly that this downtrend's continuing at least for one more day. So, kind of looks like the Bart Simpson top as well. You have to start saying on the daily, like, you know, we're starting to do this a little too much, and eventually it pulls back. Can't keep doing that. Eventually you run out of steam. You got to make a move. This is where we have to make a move if we're going to move up. Otherwise, you're going to come right back down into this wedge. which we already are in. We never broke out of it on the daily. That's why I said be careful on during the day trading. We have to close a daily above it. Then I'll start talking about the uptrend if we start forming one, because if we do, people have asked me to draw it, but it's really funny how it ends up, because even if we do it like this, it's going to show you how important that cup and handle spot is. Because we can start here and say, all right, we came up, then we fought down. Yeah, there's a lot of action out here for the rain, and I have my karambit on me, so I'm not worried, but it's a lot more action than you would expect out here on a Sunday night at 11:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast. But that's why I carry my karambit on all times. It's on my knuckle. Oh, yes. Can never be too safe. I'm not looking to shoot anybody, but if you come close enough to me, I'm going to scare you away. I mean, I am armed, but I'm not going to... I would hope I don't have to bring that outside with me right now, but if I have to, I'll step back inside. You know? So anyhow, we're in this trend line on the crypto total market cap. That's what it looks like. This is what we're trying to do, and that's basically if you get into an uptrend. So technically you can say, hey, we are in an uptrend, or we're starting one, but you also got to be very careful when you start saying that, because you got to remember that downtrend takes precedent until you have a daily close that breaks this downtrend. So... and we could have even pulled that farther out, because technically we can have it farther out into the future. But I think it's a good spot because it's kind of parallel. And it doesn't take today into account. It only took the high point of yesterday. And it gave it every opportunity today to break over it and stay over it. And now tomorrow it's only got a little bit of room. Now it's descending. So now if it stays within this, you're going to notice the price has to go down, the total crypto market cap. So that's what we're looking at. Tether. I won't bore you guys all day with Tether, but we were in an uptrend on Tether. It was simple. I kept it at that. We're in an uptrend until we break it. We have nothing to worry about. So I wasn't talking downtrend on everything. Tether's in a decisive uptrend. Can't argue that. That's an uptrend. We did it in the short term. That's an absolute uptrend. So until it breaks that, we can't. It's an uptrend. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to release this so you guys can see this. And then with Bitcoin, since we talked the crypto market cap, it's only fair we do Bitcoin. We have the same thing, and you see how it's echoing the total crypto market cap. So it's a little bit, it's got a little bit, came a little bit closer to breaking over. It had a little bit bigger push, but as you can see, it broke back down into it. So that too had a chance. It almost did too, and you can see how it's riding that, you know. So we're going to see what happens. It's going to be interesting. Make sure to hit that like button. Stay blessed, everybody. Have a good night. Hashtag be better, do better. And make sure to help people out. Help people. If people want help, help them. Don't make them feel bad about it. Just help them. The best thing and easiest thing you can do in life is help people.